Hello friends, I'm and today you're welcome to the second part of the best and powerful tools and apps for Linux systems. Whether you are a professional creator or a developer or just someone who loves to customize and optimize their system, these tools will take your Linux experience to the next level. So, let's get started. And so the first app in our list is Bottles. It lets you run Windows apps on Linux smoothly. Imagine using your favorite Windows applications without any fuss on your Linux computer. You see, Bottles is a versatile application that allows you to run Windows programs on your Linux system seamlessly. With Bottles, you can install, configure, and manage Windows applications with ease, making it a must-have application for users who rely on Windows-specific software. And the next app in this list is Lightworks. It's perfect for editing videos like a pro. Whether it's a family video or a YouTube project, Lightworks has all the tools you need to making it look amazing. You see, Lightworks is a professional-grade video editing software that offers professional features and user-friendly interface. And with the support for high-resolution editing, real-time effects, and a range of export options, Lightworks is perfect for filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators looking to take their projects to the next level. And if I assume that you're a person who wants to take their videos or projects to the next or even greater level, for them, we have the DaVinci Resolve. It's a fantastic app for color grading and video editing. No matter if you're making a movie or a sample YouTube video, DaVinci Resolve helps you make it look top-notch. You see, DaVinci Resolve is a comprehensive post-production software that combines video editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production into a single software, and it is used by professionals in the film and television industry. And DaVinci Resolve offers advanced features and unparalleled performance, making it a powerhouse for creators. But what if you are someone who wants to take your videos and projects to even the greatest level? For them, we have Blender. You see, Blender on Linux is like a gem. It's for creating 3D stuff like animations and models. With Blender, you can let your imagination to run wild and make awesome 3D things. And Blender is a free and open source 3D creation suite that supports the entire 3D pipeline, including modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, composition, and motion tracking. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, Blender offers the tool you need to bring your ideas to life in stunning details. I guess I've talked a lot about powerful tools and applications. Now let's move to the fun stuff with C-Matrix. It's a fun screensaver that makes your terminal look like the Matrix movies. And if you love cool effects, this one is for you. C-Matrix is a fun and nostalgic application that stimulates the Matrix digital rain effect on your terminal. With customization options and various modes, C-Matrix adds a touch of geeky charm to your Linux experience, making it a favorite among enthusiasts and developers alike. And last but not the least, we have Vibrant Linux. This awesome tool is for those who are still using older hardware for display, like old monitors or old laptops with bad screen. Cause in all of those displays, Linux looks awful. There's almost no vibrance, no saturation, no colors, no contrast, and it's just so faded. And to fix that, we have Vibrant Linux. Vibrant Linux is a GUI tool through which you can modify the saturation of any given screen, and you can apply settings of saturation and vibrance on a particular application or game or just throughout the screen. And believe me, with this application, Linux looks beautiful. And with these powerful tools, you can unlock the full potential of a Linux system. Whether you're a creative professional, a developer, content creator, or simply a Linux enthusiast, these applications have something for everyone. So why wait? Start exploring and transform your Linux experience today. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, then subscribe for daily dose of awesome Linux content uploaded on this channel. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, I'm Om, signing out.